Good morning, beta. Let's continue with exercise 2.5. First and third question we have done. Let's start with question number 2. 103 into 107. So whenever you are to solve the question for the identities, you have to be very careful while selecting the identity which you will apply. So here 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 and 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. X plus A, X plus B. X plus A, X plus B is equal to X square, A plus B into X plus AB. ये सेम है, इस साइड पे आ जाओ. x की वैल्यू क्या है 100 और a की वैल्यू 3, b की वैल्यू 7. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज. x स्क्वायर प्लस a प्लस b इंटू एक्स प्लस a इंटू b. ओके, 100 स्क्वायर इज 10,000. This is 10 into 100, 1,000 plus 21. 11021. This is your answer. Next part is 95 into 96. This is 100 minus 5 and this is your 100 minus 4. But the identity is for the addition. So what you will do, you will change it, this negative sign to addition. This will be 100 plus of minus 5. This is 100 plus of minus 4. This is x plus a, x plus b, and the answer is 100 square a plus b into x plus a into b. Is it okay? Any doubt? Now solve this. 100 square is your 10,000. This is minus 9. So it will become minus 900 plus 20. 10020 minus 900 0219. Next part is your homework. Next part is 104 into 96. 104 is 100 plus 4. 96 is 100 minus 4. So formula will become 100 plus 4, 100 minus 4. A minus B, A plus B. That is A square minus B square. Hurry up. Tell me the answer. Hundred, 4 and 96. 104 can be written as 100 plus 4 and 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. Hundred plus 4, 100 minus 4. This is A plus B, A minus B. So you will change the formula here. Third identity you will apply. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. That is 100 square minus 4 square. 10,000 minus 16 and the answer is 9,984. Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? Now let's start with question number 4 and anyone who can tell me which identity you will apply in question number 4, that is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. A plus b plus c whole square. क्या होता है a plus b plus c whole square? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Now, A, B, C. Put the values in the right hand side. A square, B square, C square, 2A into B, 2B into C plus 2C into A. Is it okay? 2AB, 2BC plus 2CA. This is your x square. This is 4y square, 16z square, 4xy, 16yz, 8zx. This is your answer. Now, when you move further in the fifth question, you will see the question is of this type and you have to revert it back in this form. So keep everything in mind. You have to learn both the sides of the identity so that whenever you see the question, you will easily identify it that which side of identity is given to you. If left is given, you will change it into right hand side. If right is given, you will convert it into left hand side. Is it okay? Now let's do 2 more parts of this. I'm discussing fourth part of this identity. If you will see the fourth part, you can easily solve the second and third part. Because in second and third, you have given only one negative sign. But in fourth part, 2 negative signs are there. So I'm discussing this fourth part that contain 2 negative signs. So that will easily clear your concepts. Fourth part of this identity is 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. Now the identity is for addition, but this contains minus minus. So firstly you will change it. A plus b plus c whole square. क्या होता है? A square, b square, c square, 2a into b plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now solve this. 3a square is 9a square, 49 minus का square plus 49b square, c square, 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, minus 42ab. This is minus minus plus 2 7s are 14, 14bc, 2 3s are 6 ca, minus 6ca. So this is your answer. So your homework is second and fifth part. Second and fifth part of this question is your homework. After this, I am discussing sixth part of this question. Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? Anything you want to ask in this? Is everything clear? Sixth part, 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. Now again you have to change it. You will write plus here, minus you will take inside the bracket. A plus b plus c whole square. A square, b square, c square, 2a, 2ab, 2bc plus 2bc plus, next step I am writing here, 2ca. Now the square of this is 1 by 16a square, minus square is plus 1 by 4b square plus 1, 2 will cancel out, minus AB upon 4, 2 will cancel out, minus B, this will cancel out, plus 1 by 2A. So this is your answer. A square, B square, C square, 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. जो cutting करके जो remaining part है, that you will be your answer, that I have written. Is this clear? You need a lot of practice in this topic, so make sure that you are doing each and every question at your home with your hands. Don't depend upon me. You have to do it at your own. I'm discussing the questions, so it's better if you do each and every question at home for the practice. Write identity with each part so that you can learn the identities. If you try to learn the identities at one time, it's not possible. So whenever you are doing the question, keep writing it side by side so that you can learn it. Now, this is your question number 5. A square, B square, C square, 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. So when you close this identity, this side, this is your right hand side. If you convert this, you will get the answer in the form of left hand side. Okay. So firstly, you will write the identity here. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square, 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. Okay. Now, what is this A square, B square, C square? These are your whole square. As you can see that 4, 9 and 16 is a perfect square number, but it should be written in the whole square form. So what you will do is, you will write 2x whole square. This is your A square. This is your B square. This is your C square. 2A into B. आपने पहले राइट हैंड साइड की फॉर्म में फ्रेम करना है. दिस इज A whole square, B whole square, C whole square. So that's why you have to write this question in the form of firstly right hand side exactly in this form. Then you will convert the answer in the form of left hand side. So 2AB, 2B. Now have you seen one thing? That in the formula I am having all the terms positive, but in the question 2 terms are negative. Then how you will recognize that whether A, B or C, which term is negative from this? So the method is, in these two negative terms, can you see the common term among between these two? That is Z. Z is common between these two terms. That means Z is your negative. Is it okay? The common term in these two is Z. So Z must be negative. So later on you will see that when you will write the answer, that will be in the form of this. आप देखते जाओ, अभी clear हो जाएगा. A square, B square, C square, 2AB, 2BC, ये B, ये C, plus 2CA. अब आप देखो इधर, अब हम मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लो. 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, प्लस 12xy, प्लस में आ रहा है. यहाँ चेक करो. 2 3 जा 6, 6 4 जा 24, माइनस 24yz आ रहा है. माइनस 24yz, इसको चेक करो. 2 4 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, माइनस 16xz, माइनस 16xz. तो इसका मतलब वी हैव डन इन करेक्ट मैनर. तो आपके पास ये आ गया. ये आपने इसको आइडेंटिटी को लिखा. ए स्क्वायर, बी स्क्वायर, सी स्क्वायर, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca किसके इक्वल होता है? a प्लस बी प्लस सी whole square. So the answer is 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. And we are making, ये क्या था? Expand. ये क्या है? Factorize. तो factorize में you will write the answer in the different brackets. Factorize में factors देने हैं अलग अलग bracket में. बट एक्सपैंड में आपने क्या करना है, उस टर्म को पूरा एक्सपैंड कर देना है फॉर्मूला लगा के. होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. प्लीज सी इट once again and read it out so that we can discuss the second part of this. Please read it out once again. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Now, a square, b square, c square, 2ab, ab देखो x y का कॉम्बिनेशन है 2ab, ये y z का कॉम्बिनेशन है 2bc, ये x z का कॉम्बिनेशन है दैट इज 2c. तो यहीं से क्लियर हो जाता है a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर 2ab 2bc 2c. क्लियर? नाउ for this what you will do is you will write in the whole square form a square b square c square, but 2 is not a perfect square number. Then what you will do is you will make 2 as a perfect square number. You know that root 2 square is 2, so can I write 2 as root 2x whole square? क्योंकि root 2 का जो square होता है वो 2 होता है या नहीं, आप बताओ. हमने किया हुआ है 8th क्लास में स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट चैप्टर में किया हुआ है ना ये बेटा. Now y is single, so it can be written as y square. 8 is again a not perfect square number, so can I write it as 2 root 2 z whole square. 2 का स्क्वायर 4, रूट 2 का स्क्वायर 2, 4 2 जा 8, 8 बन गया. अब आपने ये देखो ये दोनों टर्म नेगेटिव है, इसमें क्या कॉमन है x, इसका मतलब देन x टर्म इज नेगेटिव. a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर प्लस 2a into b 2b into c 2ab 2bc 2bc plus 2c a. टू ए बी 2bc 2ca. अब आप फॉर्मूला लिखोगे a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस 2bc प्लस 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Now this is in the left hand side form, write the answer in the right hand side form. a plus b प्लस सी होल स्क्वायर. तो ये आपके पास आ गया a प्लस बी, ये 2 टाइम्स. I have written it 2 times because the question is of factorization. Any doubt? क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, 2x प्लस 1 होल क्यूब. किसका फॉर्मूला है ये? a प्लस बी होल क्यूब. a प्लस बी होल क्यूब इज a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab a प्लस b. a की वैल्यू 2x, b की वैल्यू 1. a प्लस बी होल क्यूब इज a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3a इंटू b a प्लस b. यही आता है. ठीक है. 2 का क्यूब 8, x क्यूब, 1 का क्यूब 1, 2 3 जा 6 x, 2x प्लस 1, 8x क्यूब प्लस 1, 6 2 जा 12x स्क्वायर प्लस 6x. Next part, second part, 2a minus 3b whole cube. Now the next identity is a minus b whole cube. a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. When the plus identity is here, every sign is positive. If negative identity is here, all the signs are negative. a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3a into b a minus b. Is it okay? a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. इसका क्यूब क्या होगा? 2a क्यूब, सॉरी 2a का होल क्यूब 8a क्यूब, 27b क्यूब, 3 2 जा 6, 6 3 जा 18 ab a minus b. 2a 8a क्यूब 27b क्यूब, इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 18 2 जा 36 a स्क्वायर b माइनस माइनस प्लस 18 3 जा 54 a b स्क्वायर. Start the next part. Third and fourth part, hurry up, is your homework. Third and fourth part is your homework. Try third part, hurry up. And if you will have any doubt, you can ask. Start this, hurry up. Third part, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a into b a plus b. यही आ जाएगा. माइनस हो तो यही वाला सेम माइनस वाला आ जाएगा. ठीक है. 3 क्यूब इज 27, 2 क्यूब इज 8, x क्यूब, 1 का क्यूब 1, 3 3 जा 9 बाई 2x, 3x बाई 2 प्लस 1, 27 बाई 8x क्यूब प्लस 1. इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 9 3 जा 27, 2 2 जा 4x स्क्वायर. इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 9/2x, ये आ गया आपका आंसर। Keep remember that you have to write the identity side by side. I have not written, but I have spoken the identity side by side. So that you will write in the bracket. Question number 7. 99 cube. 99 cube is 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. This is a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. ठीक है, ये लेफ्ट गिवन है, राइट पे आ जाओ। 100 क्यूब माइनस 1 क्यूब माइनस 3a इंटू बी a माइनस b. इज इट ओके? a की वैल्यू 100, b की वैल्यू 1, a क्यूब b क्यूब 3ab a minus b. 100 cube is, you will write 1 with 6 zeros minus 1, this is your 300. 100 minus 1 is 99. This is 10 lakh minus 1. When you multiply this, 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27 plus 2, 29. Minus this and write the answer. See one more part, that is 102 cube. इसका third part is your homework. Second part I am discussing 102 cube. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 whole cube. Is it so? Is this clear? 100 plus 2, a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a into b a plus b. आप आइडेंटिटी लिखोगे, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Now solve this. Plus 8, 3 2s are 600. This is 100 plus 2. Is it okay? एट, ये हो गया 102. मल्टीप्लाई दिस, 6 2s are 12, 1 6 1s are 6. Add them. ऐड करके आंसर बोलो क्या आएगा? 8 0 2 1 6 0 1. अब देखो इधर, ये इस आइडेंटिटी का जो हमने की है इसका रिवर्स है। आपको ये दे रखा है, आपने ये बनाना है। ये है फैक्टराइज का क्वेश्चन, ये एक्सपैंड का था या सिंप्लीफाई, ये आपका है फैक्टराइज। फैक्टराइज मींस यू हैव टू क्लोज इट, यू हैव टू कॉम्पैक्ट इट एंड यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर इन द ब्रैकेट। a क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस 3ab। अब देखो एक और बात बता दें आपको, जो a प्लस बी का होल क्यूब होता है इसके दो फॉर्मूलेज होते हैं, a क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस 3ab ब्रैकेट में a प्लस बी, और इसका एक फॉर्मूला और होता है a क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर, ये फॉर्मूला होता है। अब आपके पास इसकी बजाय ये दे रखा है, तो बात तो एक ही है। जब आप इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3a² इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3ab²। आपको ये दे रखा है और आपको ये वाला फ्रेम करना है, ठीक है। देखो इधर, अब आप इसको होल क्यूब बनाओगे, ये a³ का मतलब है होल क्यूब, b³ का मतलब है होल क्यूब, तो आप लिख सकते हो इसको 2a³ b³ प्लस 3a² b प्लस 3ab²। a³ प्लस b³ प्लस 3a² b प्लस 3ab²। ये आपका हो गया राइट हैंड साइड। अब आपने ये आंसर लिखना है a प्लस b का होल क्यूब। राइट इट 3 टाइम्स। Any doubt in this? So these are the 3 factors of your this question.